Inside this factory, thousands of individual parts come together to form a single vehicle. Welcome to our factory.
Every vehicle begins its journey here, inside a modern manufacturing complex designed to handle thousands of components every day. Raw materials arrive daily, delivered with precise timing to keep production running without interruption. Steel arrives in tightly wound coils, ready to be transformed into the structural panels of a car. Every shipment is scanned and logged, ensuring traceability throughout the manufacturing process. Different materials are staged separately, each selected for strength, weight, and performance. Beyond metal, modern vehicles rely on plastics and rubber for safety, comfort, and efficiency. Engines and electronics arrive as precision-built units, ready to be integrated later in the process. Automated systems handle internal transport, reducing delays and human error. Automated warehouses store thousands of parts in a compact, highly organized system.
Before production begins, materials are inspected to meet strict manufacturing standards.
With materials prepared and verified, production is ready to begin.
The first transformation begins as flat steel sheets are prepared for shaping.
In seconds, thousands of tools of force shape the steel into structural body panels. Different presses shape each panel, from doors and hoods to the roof itself. Robotic arms handle each panel, moving them safely to the next stage. Once formed, panels move immediately toward inspection and sorting. Every contour is designed to precise tolerances. Laser scanners verify each panel against digital design models. Any excess material is trimmed and recycled immediately. Only approved panels continue forward in the process. Next, these panels will be joined together to form the vehicle's structure. Assembly begins with the underbody, the foundation of the entire vehicle. Assembly begins with the underbody, the foundation of the entire vehicle. Robotic arms align each panel to tolerances measured in millimeters.
Hundreds of welds permanently join the structure together.
Each weld fuses metal together in a fraction of a second.
The roof panel completes the basic shape of the vehicle.
Door openings are reinforced to maintain strength and alignment.
Rear panels are added, defining the vehicle's final proportions.
Critical reinforcements are added beneath the vehicle. Seam welding adds strength along key joints. A short pause allows the structure to cool and stabilize. Every joint is scanned to ensure structural accuracy. If needed, corrections are made immediately. With its structure complete, the body moves on for surface finishing. Hundreds of robots work together to build each vehicle. Every movement is planned and repeatable. Next, the vehicle will receive its final surface finish.
Before any paint is applied, the body must be completely cleaned.
On their feet. Chemical sprays remove oils and contaminants left from welding.
An anti-corrosion coating protects the vehicle from rust.
The coating is dried before primer is applied.
Primer creates a smooth, uniform surface for color. The surface is inspected before moving on. Robotic systems apply the vehicle's final color. Even coverage is critical for durability and appearance. A clear coat seals and protects the paint beneath. The finish is allowed to cool and stabilize. Each painted surface is carefully inspected. With painting complete, final assembly can begin.
Heat bonds the paint layers permanently.
Heat bonds the paint layers permanently.
Engine blocks are machined to extremely tight tolerances. Pistons are installed to convert combustion into motion.
The cylinder head seals the combustion chambers. The crankshaft translates piston movement into rotational force. The transmission manages how power reaches the wheels. The chassis carries all major mechanical systems. Precise timing controls air and fuel flow.
Suspension components support handling and comfort.
The braking system is installed for controlled stopping power. The exhaust system manages engine emissions and sound. This is where the vehicle becomes a functioning machine. The painted body now enters final assembly. Electrical wiring connects every system in the vehicle. The dashboard structure supports controls and displays. Digital systems bring information and control to the driver. Insulation reduces noise and vibration. Seats are installed for safety and comfort. Controls connect the driver to the machine.
Interior trim completes the cabin surfaces.
Glass is bonded for safety and rigidity.
Wheels complete the rolling assembly.
Exterior details define the vehicle's identity. The vehicle is now fully assembled. Every vehicle undergoes a series of final inspections.
Lighting reveals even the smallest surface defects.
Panel alignment is checked for consistency.
Electronic systems are tested through diagnostic software.
Wheel alignment ensures stable handling. Braking performance is measured under load. Water tests ensure the cabin remains sealed. Braking performance is measured under load. Wheel alignment ensures stable handling. Water tests ensure the cabin remains sealed.
Interior systems are checked for proper operation.
A brief drive confirms mechanical performance. Only approved vehicles move forward. With inspections complete, vehicles are prepared for delivery.
Each vehicle is carefully loaded for transport.
Shipping checks ensure each vehicle arrives safely.
From here, vehicles begin their journey to customers.
Behind every vehicle is a team, a process, and thousands of decisions. And that's how cars are made and assembled, from start to finish.